So guys, ako na naman ay nagbabalik. Naka-video na pa ako. Diyos ko po. Ito na yung stats natin ngayon. 6634. Na at yung ating quiz ay 61. Tagal pa yan. Tapos, nag-grind ako na tong token. 2K yan, 2K. 201. So, gagamitin natin yan dito. Titingnan natin kung makuha natin yan. Lang ewan ko kung hindi pa natin makuha yan. Babalik na lang ako. Kung hindi ko makuha pag nakuha ko na siya. Grabe dyan dito lang nakuha. Ayaw pa kanin. Pero man, bigyan mo na. Lang ewan, I'm gonna crash out it. It doesn't give me the 0.5 transcend that. I'm really gonna crash out. That's 2K tokens. And I went around to that. It's about 1 hour or 2 something. And that's a lot. And it's really hard to get 2K tokens. Oh shit. Don't say that. Bro, please give it to me, please. No, it's 0.5, bro. It's 1-3 already. It's not keeping me a bit. Bro, please give it to me, bro. Game, please give it to me, game. I'm working hard to get that. Please give it to me. Give it to me. It's not that hard to give it to me. No, it's 0.5, but please give it to me. Please give it to me. I don't know. My laptop. Bro, I think it's not giving it. Bro, it's not giving it. Bro, no. It's not giving it. It's not giving it to me. I'm gonna go. Bro. It's already down to 1K, bro. Bro, it's already down to 1K. Bro, please don't sell it. Please give it to me, please. Give it to me. Might as well give up, bro. Guys, might as well give up. Might as well give up trying, bro. It's not gonna give it to me. It's not. It's already down to 100. It's not giving it, bro. Bro, it's not giving it. Fuck, bro. What the fuck? It's not giving it. It doesn't give it. Look. That this. I will never get this. I will never get this. Bro, what the fuck?